Hey YouTube, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and also subscribe. And also make sure you check out my weekly trade zones, only $50 for a lifetime subscription. They're updated every weekend for the S&P Emini futures. Also, you get a free video education course of over 5 hours worth of content that you can watch anytime. So links down below, but let's jump right into the video. So this video is going to be training purposes of live in the market trading. The market's about to open in about a minute or so. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick analysis of what I think is going to happen, right? So here we have kind of a nice bull flag, right? We're flagging out, made new highs, flagging out again. But I think we may pull back a little bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a Fibonacci, grab my Fibonacci's. I'm going to look for a pullback trade right at the open. One of the things is I know that this 95 level, somewhere around there, 96, is the previous closing, right? So we're gapping higher right now. And so what's going to happen is we're up about 12 points. So 12 points minus that takes us down to whatever the number is, 93, 94, somewhere around there. So I think we're actually going to pull back to try and potentially fill the gap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here. I've done my pullback trade, right? I'm going to be looking for the 61 to 70% pullback. Also, I'm going to look right around this 97 level. Maybe even the 96 for that gap fill. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an order in to look to get long at 90. We'll go to 4,200. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually scale into this, okay, type of trade. So you could see over here, I'm actually putting the orders in, right? I'm going to do that. I'm also going to do this 61, the 70% pullback, because what I want to see price do is kind of pull back, fall from here, and then look for a potential bounce. So I'm also going to go 98. I'm going to just put my stop below 95 for right now, and then I'll probably look, we'll say 97. Or let's do this, 96. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of scale into this trade potentially, okay? And we really shouldn't take out this low right here, okay? So that's going to be one of the trades that I'm going to look for. The other trade that I'm going to look for right now is if we start to rally, I'm going to go from high to low, looking for a potential reversal up at these levels, right? So I'm going to look at this swing high right here at 10, 43.10, give or take. Look at that. There's a huge order right there, right? So let's front run this guy for a stop above high of day. I will probably look, as you can see, I'm just looking for levels where, okay, hey, if it does go up, where could we potentially go, right? So I'm going to probably look somewhere here, body, wick high, right? Body, wick high, somewhere right around here, up at the 40.11 and a quarter. Actually, we'll leave it right there. And so here comes price. We just got filled, okay? So we're now short, and what I want to see is a reversal. I'm also willing to add up at these levels right here, right? That 40, 41, we'll say 41 and a quarter level. Okay, this white line is all add, and then I'm all out on the other side. Okay, so this trade's going to be either a winner or a loser, and we're going to see what happens. So again, I'm going to look for about 2 points, point and a half to the downside. worth of a target, and we will see what happens. So again, just to kind of clarify what the trade is, we're up at this short zone, right? From high to low, just drew our fibs. I'm looking for a quick little pullback. If it keeps going higher, I'll look to add. I'll be all out above high of day. But hopefully, look at this potential divergence starting to form, right? High, double top. If we could break below this, we should be able to see a push lower to get our 1.5 of target, we'll say. And the reason I'm leaving it here is because look at how the double moving average blue line, and again, we're using the 821 DMA right there. Okay, so we got filled and we should have been filled. There you go. Oh, sorry about that. That was 2.5 points. So that's why we weren't getting filled there. So we're all out the short. We covered the short, okay, and we actually end up getting what was it? 3 points on the trade. Sorry about that. I thought I had another bracket ordering. So 3 points worth of the trade, and that looks like a great winner. And that's how powerful this 61 to 70% retracement is. What messed me up on that was the second order. But again, here was our entry. That would have been our take profit and then our stop loss. So with that being said, let's see if we can now catch on the other side, right? Because that trade's over, right? So I'm going to cancel that trade. That trade's no longer valid. So now we're kind of failing this potentially and coming down. Remember, we have that gap around 95. What I would do on this type of trade right here is I would actually draw my fib extension from this high to this low just to see if things line up. Where does everything line up, right? And nothing lines up exact or perfect. So I still like this 98 level. Also the 4,200, just because it's an exact number. But it looks like we're bouncing, so we will see. We'll give it a minute to see if it bounces. If it doesn't, or reverse and roll back over. If it doesn't, I kind of like that trade a lot better. And looks like I keep getting kicked off the internet for split second. So now with the double moving average, you could see if you want to go short, you could go short here and look for a potential reversal. And if it goes blue, jump out. That is the great thing about the double moving average, but it's up to you if you want to kind of play around and try and play that game. So, but with that being said, doesn't look like we might chop around. So I'm gonna kill this video. This will be it, but you guys saw we got 3 points on that nice push lower. Again, just using Fibonacci retracements right back into our short zone. That was a perfect trade. Really took no heat on that and was able to pick up a 3 points. So with that being said, thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful, and until next time, we'll talk to you soon.